Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this so simple triangle shawl. It has a 3D effect. I have a similar pattern in my channel. You can find it here. You like that, and I want to make a 3D effects. This is only two row repeating. It's so easy. Only making shells. You will increase in that center and starting point and the finishing point, only increasing 3 points. So simple. I give all the details in the video. I'm not going it more bigger because my yarn has over. I want to show you a different yarn. You can use which yarn you want, so you will choose your hook proper to it. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our 3D shell triangle shawl. Let's start to crochet. First of all, make a slip knot. Then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then turn back and insert your hook from the first chain. Grab your yarn and join with a slip stitch. Get two sides together. Then chain 3 and count your first stitch, first double crochet. Then make 7 double crochet in that hole. Insert into the hole, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is a double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1, yarn over and make 8 double crochet more in that same hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We complete first row. Now we will turn with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 for first double, chain 2 for first space, yarn over, and we have 7 double crochet, 7 stitch until come to that chain 1 space. I will make 7 back post, insert my hook back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I come to chain 1 space, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and come to next shell and make here again 7 back post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I made 7 back post double crochet, chain 2 as starting, yarn over and insert into the last stitch and make a double crochet on it. So I have chain 2 space from beginning, chain 5 space from center, chain 2 space from the last finishing of that my row. Then I will turn with chain 3. 1 2 3, count as first double crochet, and we will start chain row 3. Yarn over, I see here chain 2, insert here and make here 7 double crochet. We will increase our shawl. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then 1 2 3, skip, insert into the 4th stitch, grab my yarn and join with a slip stitch that shell. Yarn over and come to the center and make here 7 double again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Chain 1 and make 7 double crochet more in the same space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Join that shell to the 4th stitch. 1 2 3, insert into the 4th one, grab my yarn, join with a slip stitch. Yarn over and come to the last space, chain 2 space and make here 7 double. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Yarn over and insert into the last stitch and make a double crochet and finish my 3rd row. This time we will turn chain 5 because we prepare the space of that shells, new rows shells. So chain 5, 3 4 double crochet, 2 4 first space, turn, and I see here double crochet, so yarn over and start from the 2nd one and make back posts. 1, insert my hook like that, 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. I will get that new shell. I will get here 1 2 3 chain, prepare new shell's place. We increase our shell, yarn over, start from the 1st double and make here again 7 back post. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and again make here 7 back posts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. I will crochet that new shell, so I will get here with chain 3, increase my shawl, yarn over, start from the 1st double and make 7 back post again. 1 2 3 4 5, 6 and 7. Chain 2, yarn over, insert into last stitch and finish the fourth row with double crochet. Chain 3 and turn. We are on the fifth row and we will do the same thing again and again. Yarn over, I see here, chain 2 space and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one and join with a slip stitch. Yarn over, I see here second space and make here 7 double again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, insert into fourth one and join with a slip stitch. Yarn over and come to chain 5 space and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 1, yarn over and make 7 double crochet more in the center space. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, insert into fourth one and join with a slip stitch. Come here and make 7 double, then join with a slip stitch with fourth stitch and come to the last space and make here 7 double and finish with a double crochet on the last stitch. Complete fifth row like that. I will show you one more time sixth row and you will always repeat fifth and sixth row. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I complete fifth row and we will prepare new rows space. So I will turn with chain 5, 3, 4, 5, turn back and we will make that 3D effect. So yarn over and start from the second double and make a back post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Before of start the new shell, I prepare new shells place. So I will make here chain 3. But if you want to make chain 2, okay, or chain 4, it's about your hand thickness. Okay. Chain 3 and start from again first double and make here 7 double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Chain 3, come to new shell and make again 7 back post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. You are on the center, so chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and keep crocheting 7 back post, chain 3, 7 back post, chain 3, 7 back post, chain 2 and join finish with double crochet on the last stitch. Then turn and turn with chain 3 and start to make 7 double crochet in your spaces which you prepare here. Make here, turn with chain 3, make here 7 double crochet, join with a slip stitch on the fourth stitch, then make here 7 double crochet, join with a slip stitch on the fourth stitch, 7 double crochet, join with a slip stitch on the fourth stitch, then come to the center and make here 7 double, 1 chain, 7 double, and do the same thing on that side. Always you will repeat actually row 3, row 4. 1 row you will make your double crochets, 1 row you will prepare its places. It's only 2 row repeating. You can crochet it which size you want. I will crochet mine a little more and turn to you. I make it a little big. I hope you like it. It says it like the 3D effect. I like it very much. You get that 3D effect with back posts. You will find a lot of kind of shawls in my channel. I hope you like it and you will try. That's so easy. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.